Alright guys, welcome to another video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. I'm here in Seattle. It's supposed to be I was hoping it was going to be a good day today to work on the Supra, but we'll put that aside, and I need you guys' help with my Mustang. It is a 2015 V6. Oh man, it's raining here, so let me do this quick. My tail lights here, my driver's side, does not work, okay? So only my passenger side works. Also my turn signal on here doesn't work, and when you try to like turn right or whatever, the blinker makes a very weird noise, which I'll play for you guys. But I hope somebody, and there's no water in here whatsoever, you guys can tell it hasn't leaked, nothing's wrong with it like water wise or anything to, you know, be the cause of why it's absolutely not working. I went on the forums and there's some threads where I've read you can disconnect the battery for a couple seconds and it should reset the unit or the module for the taillights. I'm not too sure if it has a fuse or anything, but I did that and nothing really worked. So I'm not trying to spend like a ton of money on this one taillight. I was told to replace both, which can be close to like, oh, it's over $1,000 for just the rear taillight, because there's no bulb, it's LED, and you can't just go replace them. You got to replace the whole unit itself. So basically, if I have to replace it, I may as well just get some aftermarket Euro taillights. I was thinking also the GT taillights. What do you guys think about that? I'm not too sure. There's mixed emotions on that. A lot of people like them, and some people hate them. I've seen a few on a black Mustang that look pretty good, but again, I do like the OEM style. They look real nice. I mean, look at that. So let me show you guys here what's going on. Hopefully you guys can help me out. My car is open. Nope, it's locked. Let me get the key real quick and I will show you guys what's going on. All right, cool. So got the keys here. Let me go ahead. I'll show you guys what I mean. You should notice. So I mean, right, only one tail light. So this one is not working. So let me go ahead and try to set this up. Ugh. All right, so let's go ahead and just, we can start up the car, why not? All right. So if you guys, let me close the door. Turn everything off. You guys listen to the sound it makes here. Okay. You notice a difference? The front turn signals work. It's just the rear. So we're gonna go ahead to the passenger side here. So you can tell. Okay, we'll go switch it over to the driver's side. Okay. You guys can tell? Nothing. So put the hazard on here. Notice? So I'm not too sure what's going on. If you guys can help me out here, that'd be great. I'm not really sure how to fix this myself, or if I just need to replace the whole unit. If that's the case, I'm gonna go with some different sets of taillights. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. Leave a comment below, and thank you.